Hey guys, so the next animal I was inspired by was this African bush viper. Such a beautiful, colorful snake. Imagine if all snakes were this color or rainbow colored, more people would be less afraid of them and would probably pick them up. Actually, don't pick them up, they might stab you. Let me know if you know where that reference is from. Anyways, start with a yellow eyeshadow and then an orange right below that. Then I used a pointed, more tapered blending brush to add the pink. Then I'm going to go in with a purple on the pencil brush, and then I'm also going to blend that on the lower lash line above the pink. I'm going to be using Lime Crime's Passionfruit lipstick as a base to cut my crease because it's a little tedious cutting the crease with concealer and then setting it with eyeshadow, adding glitter glue, then adding glitter. This lipstick is sticky enough to hold the glitter without it falling everywhere, especially since I only used a small tap of glitter on my brush. I didn't pack it on. Going back in with an angled brush with that purple color, then blending that out with the pink. I'm going to be adding more orange and then some more yellow. Using that xoBeauty highlighter for my cheeks, my brow bone, and inner corner, then I'm going to add some Inglot Gel Liner. I can finally show you me applying lashes because, like I said in my last video, these are extremely easy to put on. It usually takes me 5 minutes to just put one lash on. That's why I never film it. That's my look how easy that was face. Then I'm going to be using that same passion fruit color on my lips, and then we're all set. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video.